Hello, today we will guide you through how to log out Trading 212 account. In this quick walkthrough, we'll make sure you can safely sign out so your investment information stays secure, especially if you're using a shared or public device. We'll keep things simple and clear, and I'll add helpful context along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, go to Trading 212. You can do this in a web browser by visiting the official app site or by opening the Trading 212 mobile app if that's what you use. Make sure any open actions are complete before you proceed. Avoid logging out in the middle of placing or editing an order, and give any pending screens a moment to finish loading. Next, look for the three horizontal lines at the top of the screen. This is commonly called the menu or hamburger icon. Depending on your device or screen size, it may appear in the top left or top right. If you don't see it immediately on desktop, try maximizing your browser window or reducing your zoom level so the full header is visible. On mobile, it's usually right at the top. Now click or tap those three lines to open the main menu. This will slide out or drop down, revealing options related to your account and settings. Take a brief moment to let it fully open. A stable connection helps ensure all menu items appear. Inside this menu, look for the logout icon. It often looks like a power symbol or an arrow leaving a door, and it may be labeled Logout or Sign Out. Selecting this option begins the sign out process. This is the action that disconnects your current session, which is the most reliable way to protect your account when you're finished trading or checking your portfolio. Finally, confirm that you want to log out by clicking or tapping Yes on the confirmation prompt. Trading 212 asks for confirmation to prevent accidental signouts. Once you confirm, you should be taken back to the Welcome or Sign In screen. That's your cue that the process is complete. If you're on a shared device, it's a good practice to also close the browser tab or app after logging out. If at any point the menu doesn't open or the logout option isn't visible, give the page a quick refresh or check your internet connection, then try again. And remember, logging out regularly is a simple habit that keeps your account safe. That's it. You've successfully logged out of your Trading 212 account.